Do you have a small business? Are you interested in actually getting approved for funding that doesn't require you to run your credit or a credit line? Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get business grants, up to $250,000 in business grants that'll help you push your business with the capital that you need today. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you guys to put your credit repair experience into your own hands, guys. In today's video, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to actually get approved for business grants. Now, I know this is a little bit out the norm of credit or credit repair, but we have had a huge amount of clients and subscribers asking for business credit and funding videos. So I thought that I would actually add some business grants that I think is pretty good to the equation for you guys to actually look into and possibly get approved for. So let's dive straight in. Now, before we get into the business funding portion of the video, I want to talk to you guys about credit repair. Now, guys, if you have anything on your credit report that needs to be removed as far as derogatories, like collections, charge-offs, late payments, anything like that, you need to get it removed. You would not be able to move into these high tiers of funding if you do not get these items removed. And getting the items removed has been harder than it was 10 years ago. Credit repair is not the same like it was 10 years ago. The industry has been watered down. So the best way to do that is to put this experience into your own hands, guys. Go to mycreditapproved.com. It's a platform that allows you guys to do everything yourself. You can import your own credit report, dispute your own credit, and generate your own dispute letters and send them off to the credit bureaus yourself. It has everything that you need. It has all of the dispute letters. It has all of the strategic planning. It has everything that you need. It has some credit building tools in there as well. Guys, everything that you need to actually be successful in the credit repair journey, go over to mycreditapproved.com. Now that we have taken care of that portion of the video, I want to actually dive straight into the business funding portion of the video. Now, before I actually transition over to my screen, I definitely want you guys to like and subscribe to the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm and allows us to actually push to a wider audience. Guys, please go over to the like and subscribe and hit the bell notification as well. I'm about to transition over to my screen. In today's video, I want to definitely start with Walmart. Walmart has a very interesting grant, and this is the stipulations for it. So first of all, this grant is for nonprofit organizations, and I wanted to disclose this grant first because, as you can see, the deadline for the application of this grant is December 31st. But these are the guidelines. Local community grants range from the minimum of $250 to the maximum of $5,000. Eligible nonprofit organization must operate on local level and they're directly benefit the service area of the facility from which they are requesting funding. The 2021 grant cycle begins February 1st to December 31st. Applications may be submitted any time this funding cycle. Please note the application will only remain active for 90 days. At the end of the period, they will automatically be rejected. Organizations may only submit a total of 25 applications to receive up to 25 grants within a 2021 grant cycle. All organizations applying for the local community grant must be Cyber Grant front door verified prior to applying. So basically, it's pretty cut and dry. You have to be a Cyber Grants front door verified applicant before you actually get a start the application with them. It's not for non-profit organizations, but this is the interesting part that I like. The 25 applications and or receive up to 25 grants per organization. I think that's pretty interesting. So if you can get at least 5 grants for $5,000, I think that can help any nonprofit from where I'm standing. So yeah, these are the stipulations. These are the guidelines for this grant. I wanted to talk about this one first, just because it is closer to the deadline than the other for that we are going to discuss. The second grant is the DPrize grant that supports new entrepreneurs who distribute proven poverty interventions. Now, this one is pretty interesting, only because it actually is tailoring the grant towards providing a lot of value towards the community. Guys, if you know anything about me, I'm all about the value that you can bring towards the life that you have. And this grant is specifying and tailoring towards businesses that have business models predominantly towards poverty-stricken circumstances. So this is the stipulations for: the world has already invented products and services to end poverty, yet we have found dozens of poverty interventions with largely delivery gaps. Millions of people still don't have access. Can you design a new business that delivers a proven poverty intervention at scale? Submit your idea and to build a new organization and to solve of our distribution channels below. We will award the most promising teams up to $20,000 to launch wherever extreme poverty exists. So basically, guys, this is basically saying that you don't need to necessarily have a business running. You can actually think of an idea and present it to them, and they will award up to $20,000 to the applicant winner. As you can see, they say, can you design a new business? Can you design a new business that deliver a poverty intervention at scale? So basically, they want you to provide a business that can actually have a business model that produces and deliver results for poverty-stricken situations. So these are the industries that they are actually tailoring to. DPrize's challenges: health, access, clean water, education, agriculture, livelihoods, energy, public services, and custom. So if you can think of anything custom outside of these channels, I think that you will actually be welcome to the word money as well. The stipulations and the eligibility for the grant is as follows. DPrize is apprising entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world, of any age and any background. The majority of our awardnees have not launched nor raised any funding. So like I said, guys, this is an opportunity for you to actually get into the business. So even if you do not have a business open or have an LLC or EIN or anything like that, they will tailor to your idea. All you have to do is tell a good story. We will consider funding existing organizations only if you are piloting a new distribution focused initiative, and you would need for high risk capital that cannot be supported by current donors or revenue. So guys, basically what they're saying is that they're looking for a story that can actually produce results from a poverty stricken situation. And with that being said, they want to make sure that you don't have the proper funding to actually yield the results or actually launch properly. This is an interesting one, guys. This is DPrize, and they are awarding up to $20,000. I don't see anything for a deadline. I don't see anything for a deadline or anything like that. So yeah, go to the website. I would actually apply as soon as possible, just in case, and submit a story that can actually get you $20,000 to help you go into your business world. Guys, this is actually a good one. All right, the second one is Invoice to Go. Invoice to Go is giving away $200,000 to help small businesses from minority communities take their next step. So guys, this particular grant is more tailored to minority businesses. So if you have a business that is black or brown, or under the clarifications that stipulates a minority, you could potentially get awarded up to 200 or 15. Is it 15? Receive up to 15 or 200? That's confusing. But yeah, receive up to $15,000 to grow your business. Join a greater invoice community of business owners. Now, I had someone actually get awarded this grant, and what they have told me is the community behind the grant is actually more valuable predictable than the money that they give you. So yeah, gain access to exclusive workshops to help you win more work, build deeper customer relationships, simplify your operations, and much more. So guys, if you know anything about starting a new business, mentorship is one of the most underrated and not sought out experiences that young entrepreneurs do not take advantage of. So not only with this grant are you getting upwards to $200,000 or $15,000, I don't know which one it is. I honestly believe the one client that got this particular grant got more than 15. So I don't know if that is a delay from what they was originally offering, but like I said, I had someone that actually got approved for this. So this is an interesting one. And what I like about it the most is that they are, like I said, tailoring to minority groups that probably do not have a lot of mentorships that can help them transition to over to entrepreneurship. So yeah, I like this one as well. Who can apply? You must be an owner of a business, a legal U.S. resident. It must be 18 years or older. So this is for the U.S. residents. The business must be majority owned by a legal U.S. resident or identifies as one of or more of the following: Asian, Indian, Asian Pacific, Black, Latino, Native American, Alaskan Native, Arab, Middle Eastern, Native Hawaiian, or Pacific Islander, LGBTQ. Now, LGBTQ is an interesting one, guys, because it doesn't attach it to color. So if you have a sibling, I'm gonna say sibling, if you have a spouse or are LGBT, that includes all races. The business must be less than 5 years old, have no more than 10 employees, and have an annual revenue equal or less than $1 million. So guys, it doesn't say you have to have a revenue of $1 million, it says less than. So you want to make sure that you have your business is not booming and making millions of dollars. How to win: apply by completing the form with your name, email, and photo. If you win, we highlight your entry. In 200 words or less, explain your business and how winning will support your business in the community, guys. This one is actually still open. This is actually a good one, and the reason is not only because of the actual money, but the community that's behind it. So yeah, guys, this is Invoice to Go. Last and but not least, this is DoorDash. Guys, DoorDash have their own grant for restaurant businesses. So if you are a restaurant business and you have undergone any hardships, DoorDash is giving and awarding up to $10,000 to help businesses that have been through any traumatic experiences. So basically they're saying that disasters are unpredictable, but critical support shouldn't be. The average small business loses $3,000 every day they remain closed due to natural disaster. To help restaurants recover in times of critical need, DoorDash has partnered with Hello Alice to create the Restaurant Disasters Relief Fund. The fund supports restaurants impacted by natural disasters like fire, floods, and hurricanes, and provide relief through $10,000 grants. Guys, now this is an interesting one because I had a friend that actually got approved for this one as well. Now you want to make sure that you are submitting this one as well. I should have put this one in the front, but you want to make sure you submit the application prior to January 31st. So the sooner the better, guys. You want to jump on this one. With that being said, you cannot apply under the circumstances of COVID or anything like that. This grant is specifically for restaurants that has undergone any type of fires, floods, or hurricanes. So if you have went through anything recently in Kentucky or any of those states that have went through that terrible tornado that just literally leveled blocks, and if you are a restaurant or know anything or been in any floods in Louisiana, Texas area, or fires, or anything like that, guys, you can be awarded up to $10,000 to get your business back on track. This is a good one as well. So yeah, guys, that's upwards to $250,000 in grants for businesses and nonprofits. Guys, I think that this is it. If you find any of this information helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q is out.